I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mission and aircraft model, so the simulator loads correct cabin layout and luggage positions. Once done, equip your uniform, ID, checklist, and a flashlight from the inventory to improve visibility. Move into the cabin using the main door, crouch if required, and hold the interaction key to perform a quick scan of the immediate area. This reveals highlighted objects and creates an initial search perimeter. Make sure to mark the aisle and overhead zones first to avoid missing obvious locations. You now perform a systematic zone sweep so nothing is overlooked. Start at the front and progress row by row toward the rear, checking under seats, inside seat pockets, armrests, and life vest compartments. Use the flashlight and highlight mode to reveal subtle item outlines. Open overhead bins methodically, left to right, closing each after inspection to keep track. Once you find a suspect suitcase, confirm it against checklist details such as tag number and color, and mark its status in the log to trigger the. You finish by securely retrieving the suitcase and following protocol so it counts as recovered. Verify the tag and distinguishing marks, then use the correct lift animation to avoid dropping it. Carry it to the designated storage or handover point and notify the crew through comms while filing the recovery report in the mission UI. If the suitcase does not interact, disappears, or the objective won't update, reload the nearest checkpoint, rescan the zone, and try again. This resolves most physics or spawn glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.